Welcome to Dam ARG YouTube. This na the dance wey Oshiomole take celebrate his 70 years birthday today. No be only Oshiomole celebration you go see for this video, you go also hear from Kola Edokpayi, the human rights activist for Benin. They beg the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki make he do something about the water fountain wey Oshiomole use taxpayer money take build. He say frog don dey swim inside. Obaseki, since wey Obaseki take enter power, e no gree maintain the water fountain. E don abandon am. Make I leave you, make you hear from Kola Edokpayi.
Yes. My people for us, I greet you now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the location for the workshop from. Now see say our water, supposed water fountain. Now be this one. From water fountain, it turned to frog fountain. From frog fountain, it turned to refuse dumping fountain. I know say at the time of former governor Oshiomole, now they use millions of taxpayers' money to build this then water fountain. And as at that time, people they come here called the snap. This place was kind of a tourist attraction. Then people from John they come, you come here, museum brand. They will see the fountain, they will snap. Very fine picture. Go be like saying a giant. Yeah, you for snap the picture. You understand? But after some time, when Governor Oshiomole they campaign for Governor Obaseki, they use this water fountain to campaign. After campaign, they win election of 2016. Then they come abandon this water fountain. Now no say na taxpayers' money. Now they take do this thing. Now the government will not be responsible. Now they abandon project where a predecessor start before. We dey see the way this thing come be, we not dey happy. Say our money, now they just waste. To say they use this money, when they take this water fountain, where it come be frog fountain there, because of the refuse dumping fountain. There's not to empower 100 youths. Those 100 youths they use that money to empower. And that time, they forgot their life for not change. Their life for not change. Just like say they just dig our money, they come bury and yeah. The thing get us we will not be happy. Governor Godwin Obaseki side say the issue of light and everything. But now, lights don't dey ring roads. Governor Godwin Obaseki don't use Oshiomole power plant to the light up the some aspect of the city, street lights now. Now Oshiomole power plant now they power all these street lights we get here for this all they do. From here, from our Pava, he reach second, in third junction he reach. You reach some street lights, you reach third junction. This one we just far. It didn't even go far. The street lights supposed to from here even reach Agbo Park. After Agbo Park, bypass for that side, the center Aduwawa and everything. So when the opportunity appeal to Governor Godwin Obaseki, say our money they bury here. Now our taxpayers only they bury here. Make you use Oshiomole power plant to power this water fountain, so that the thing when they work, people will see they come, they do what they do before. As far as say they don't use our money, taxpayers' money for this matter, they get us a bill. We not they happy. We not they happy. We they use the opportunity again. They appeal to Godwin Obaseki. Make use of Oshiomole power plant. Make they take power this museum, this refuse dumping fountain from water fountain to frog fountain. No, I don't need to be frog from one radio at the phone now. Eki will do crrr for them. The other to frog fountain. No, refuse dumping fountain. Now our money will they use not be their money that they use. They not they use their money. Now our money will they use. We need this place to dey as e fit be before during the time of Adams Ali Oshiomole wey ye fine. Na our humble logo market be this one. Our West Sale. Thank you.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.